Sorry guys, I'm late. I just had some errands to run. Aw, Hey guys, I found this Pokeball in my toy box when I was a child, even though I do not play with toys anymore. Anyways, yes, so in this Pokeball, you can see that if you press this button, it flips open and you see that, what the fuck is that? Do you guys know what Pokemon this is? Cause I don't. It looks like a freaking Bigfoot. I have no idea what this Pokemon is. What the heck is on its face? What is that? What is on it? What is that supposed to be? Like,
well, that's a shitty Pokemon.
Well, I still have the most important piece of that toy, which is the Pokeball. So while I was looking through my toy box, I also found this really awesome thing. It's a finger puppet. Look at this.
Hello, I'm a finger puppet, and I just want to tell you to describe
I don't know why I just made this finger puppet speak French, but okay. We have... I don't know what the dog...
Ah, the light is too bright! Ah!
So what did I do this week? Well, I stayed at home and sat on my computer and ate pizza and
look at your face. It looks so tasty. Rawr! I am a monster! Rawr!
yeah, that was pretty cool.
The special channel for you special little souls. You're watching Eric Live. Hope you enjoy the show.
Oh, now hit the share button, you fuckers! Oh, yeah!